If I'm going around the track for the first time ever, you gotta come with me. Make some noise, yeah!
We put the good in the good in the good life. We put the good in the good in the good life. We put the bad in the past, now we alright.
Here we are, FuelFest, Orange County?
SoCal.
LA? What is
sir.
that?
I don't know.
Hometown.
Just the OC.
There's a sea of cars. The price tags on these things are bone stock to deep pockets.
One question comes to mind. What's the retail on one of those?
What's the retail on one of those?
I like the Fast and Furious type. We built some cars in our time, but we wanted to bring in a special expert that probably knows, actually definitely knows a little more. He doesn't know anything about cars.
I hate this guy.
Everything else, he's
I don't know why we're filming
I don't even know, but Soupy, come in, we got Soupy! Look how excited Soupy is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk around, look at the cars, we're gonna guess the retail, and then we're gonna ask the owner.
What's the retail on one of those?
2018 Mustang. She's got some body work done to her. A little wide. You see the little wide on it? The car by itself, I know that the car by itself runs about 40-ish. It's an automatic. It's got the Coyote. It's got bags, it looks like. Full carbon, clip-on stuff for the dash.
All in right now.
All in right now. $68,000 car. I guessed all in that it was around $68,000.
Interesting.
What did you pay for this thing?
So I actually paid $36 for it out the door.
I wasn't far off on that.
I bought it in 2018.
Yep.
I've spent 50 grand on it.
Oh my gosh, I was so far off.
All in, I'm about $90,000 in.
I'm off by like 20.
You've been spending too much time on Facebook Marketplace,
Yeah,
lowballing
dude,
people.
I'm lowballing everybody.
Nothing is better than an old truck. Look at this right here. This is an old 70s C10 short bed. Ooh, what everybody wants, right? LS, right? LS, it's got full air, full QA1 suspension on there, it looks like. Damn, those are nice wheels, Willwood. Paint looks amazing.
It does have the big back window as well.
Oh,
point that out.
see?
I'll
Oh,
point that
so
out.
even the camera guy is a
got
truck
the big
guy.
back- oh.
Look at the interior. The Nerren 3-pedal car, handbrake, Holly dash. That means it's got a Holly ECU. I'm gonna say this man spent probably the last 6 years of his life about 210 grand. No, you're too high.
Oh, whoa! Well, here, let's bring in the owner. Bring in the owner.
All right, what's your name?
Randy Thurston.
Randy.
Yes. I'm hard up. I just bought 2 beers. That was 50 bucks.
I say you're in a little over 200 grand. I said 210.
2 years. My son and I built this in our garage from the floor up. So the price, you're close, man. I'm in at 204.
Whoa! Whoa! Come on! Whoa! Man! Woo!
Soupy!
You got
You're
it.
the closest.
256.
You're cheating. You're a cheater. Typical drag race.
You know how many times I built this in my head while on the toilet?
So I'm going with something that I really don't know too much about at all. So I'm going in winging this one. I'm just giving you guys one. I'm winging this one. I just know it's a 2017 Challenger Hellcat Carbon Cat.
Oh, you just read the bill.
You don't know how
just read
you,
the
I
thing.
just know that. What do you mean? Oh, it says it right there. Yeah. Looking at it right off the bat, a lot of carbon. Okay, what's going through my head right now is carbon's expensive. I don't know if this is aftermarket or if it's custom for the car. It's not a decal. It's actually real carbon.
My guy, did you see
I didn't even
the
see
front
this.
wheel?
Those look expensive. Doc. Those look expensive. We got nitrous. We're on airlift. So looking at this and having no idea what it is, what anything costs on this, $145. So what's your name?
My name's Trey. This hood lights up.
Oh my! Get out!
My guy!
From start to finish, all in.
The car costs $120 just for the car. That's when you bought the car. You're looking at about almost $70,000.
190 grand. I was way off.
Yeah, you
I picked
did.
a hard one.
Shout out XComp. Let's go. We're putting our man in the first drift car he's ever been in.
brother. We got the
Tell me about this.
We got our 1990 Nissan Y60 Patrol. It's one of the only ones in America. But then we went ahead and swapped with a TV48. Got a Garrett G42 turbo hanging off the side. Sheet metal intake from Hypertune. This thing is absolutely rowdy. It throws flames all the way over the roof line. One of the rarest cars here, hands down. Right-hand drive from Japan, engine from Dubai, assembled in America about 10 minutes from here. Still studded from the Pad Ice race.
Oh my gosh,
Still got
that's
the
so
studs in 'em.
sick.
That turbo's as big as Cory's kid.
Yeah, dude.